Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to HPI Auto. We are starting this video off in the 2017 911 cab. Now, I've always appreciated cabs from afar. I really like the Turbo and the Turbo S cab, obviously because power. But as a 911 cab goes, it's just a nice cruiser and very nice weekend car, and you can use it as a daily driver as well. I've just always preferred a coupe. That's just kind of my thing. But we have this one on consignment, and I actually really like this spec. I've been looking at it, and it's time to take it out and check it out. Like I said, really nice spec. You do have sport mode, you've got active aero, you have your active suspension, and updated interior. It's a 991.2. So as far as power really does go, you do have 370 to the wheel. This is a rear-wheel drive car, so keep that in mind if you do choose to daily drive this in rainy conditions and so on and so forth. Your 0 to 60 time is 4.8 seconds, which isn't too shabby at all, especially when you have the weight of the cab, like the drop top motor and everything in it. It's not too bad. Now you do have a 7-speed PDK transmission like you'll see in other 911s of this generation. Always a good transmission, something reliable, and I'm just probably PDK's biggest fan, to be honest with you. Well, let's go ahead and check out the interior and exterior of this one. I really like this. Again, like I said in the beginning, clean spec, very simple, easy on the eyes. Let's dive into it. So this is the interior of this 2017 911. Very clean, simple interior. Now let's get into it. You have a full black interior, really nice steering wheel. This is a leather wrap steering wheel. It is a heated steering wheel. If you guys remember, the button is back there for the heated steering wheel function, which I always appreciate, especially now. It's like 40-something degrees outside. It's a little bit chilly. Moving on to the center console area. Pretty simple and easily laid out like other 991.2s. You have your PDK transmission right there. Like I mentioned, you have your sport, active aero. You do have your active suspension, your traction control, and then you have your actual drop top controls right there. And you also have automatic start stop button on this. You have heated and cooled seats right here. Again, very nice. Now, as far as actual space goes in here while driving, very spacious and just easy to drive and navigate. Again, so this is the exterior of this 911. I love the wheels choice with this from the factory. Very clean. You do have a black convertible top on here, so it kind of ties all together. Just presents a really nice and easy on the eyes road appearance. Moving along to the back, you do have your dual quad-tipped exhaust back there. Again, it is all stock back here. This is the exterior. Looking into the interior, again, full black interior, very clean, simple, easy to work with, easy to maintain. I love that. So this is what the top looks like in the down position. Very simple. I love it. Just a clean cab appearance, clean road appearance. But that is going to wrap it up for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. If you're interested in this 2017 cab, it is available now. Again, it's 13,000 miles on it. Highly recommend it for like a nice weekend cruiser. I've got the top down right now. It's really nice out. Warmed up a little bit, so we're enjoying it. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.